This is a Python project. I built this app. It's just an app that runs in the terminal that is basically going to allow a user to choose from a list of cars and opt to purchase one of them. Yeah, and then it shows them what price is based on the year of the make and model of the car. Um, it gets the user input and then displays the car list based on the user's input, or just quits if the user just wants to quit. And then when the user chooses a car, it's going to get the price of the car based on the year of the car. And that's what the if else statements here do. And then it asks the user to confirm the purchase or to go back to the main menu. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna run it. Yeah, open, blah, blah, blah. What would you like to do, buy a car or exit? So exit and just says goodbye and um, it closes out of the app. I'm gonna run it again in just a minute. In the future, I'm gonna make it so that the user can choose the make and the model of the car instead of just presenting them with a fixed set of cars. I'm gonna choose number one, and then it's gonna say it's a great car. Now choose a year. If I type anything earlier, it tells me the year range. I'm just gonna go ahead and type 2008. Yeah. Now, oh, I need to fix. Anyway, so for 2009, it says to confirm the purchase. The car make and model is Honda Civic. And then the price, it tells me it's 8,000. So do you want to confirm? Yes, I do. And then it says, congratulations to the newest car owner. That's it.